Good morning, welcome to my channel. I'm Charisse. I'm the owner of Big Glam Virgin Hair. I've just got some new caps in. This is the beige one when you're making your wigs. As you can see, this is a size small. A small is a 54, around 21 inches, 21 inch, 54 centimeters. And that's what it looks like. It's very lightweight, very lightweight. It's not heavy, so it's great for your wig making. It's got a thin band and it stretches. So this is a small, okay. This is a medium. Let's open a medium. Now the medium is, this is a medium and it's about 22 to 23 inches. So that's what, 56 to about 59 centimeters. So that's a medium. So please take into consideration that these stretch. So when you purchase it, you may need to go next size down. And take into consideration also, if you've got cane rows and a large cane rows going back, take this into consideration as well. So this is the medium. And the large is about 24 to 25 centimeters, which is 61 to 65. No, it's, sorry, 24 to 25 inches, 64 to 65 centimeters. So I'm just looking at my notes. So this is what the large looks like. So this is the beige. Okay. So if you're making blonde wigs or colored wigs, this is ideal. So going on to the black, there's 4 sizes here. This comes in 4 sizes. Now a lot of people get confused when they buy this because, as I keep saying, these caps have a good stretch on them, guys. So when you're purchasing, please take this into consideration, because once you've purchased it, unfortunately you can't return it. So this is a 46 centimeters. So this is an extra small. So 46 to 41 centimeters, that's the stretch. So if your head size is between 18 and 20 inches, this will be perfect for you. Okay, so that's the circumference of your head. Take into consideration how much hair you have on your head as well, okay? So if you've got a lot of hair and your cane rows are pretty chunky, you're probably going to go to the next size up. But if you don't have a lot of hair and your cornrows are pretty small, then stick to your head circumference. So this is the extra small. As I said, extra small is 46 to 41 centimeters, 18 to 20 inches. Okay. This is the 48 to 53 centimeters. So if your head circumference is 19 inches to 21 inches, this will fit. Okay. So this is the 48 to 53. So yes, it's 48, but it stretches to 53 centimeters. Okay. So that's that one. Then we have the 50 to 55. 50 to 55 centimeters. which is 20 to about 22 inches, giving a stretch. Okay, it can actually, they all can stretch more than that, but then it depends on how tight you want it as well. So this is the 50 to 55 centimeters. As you can see, it stretches pretty well. Nice thick band as well. Still very lightweight. And lastly, 52 stretching to 57. So this is like an extra large. And this is 20.5 to 24 inch. But as I said, you can get more stretch out there because it's pretty stretchy, guys. So I just want to show you, because a lot of people are purchasing this and they say, oh, it's too small. Or as I said, if you have big cornrows going down, your head circumference is, say, extra small, which is an 18 to 20, please take this into consideration when you're purchasing it. If you don't have a lot of hair and your cornrows are small, stick to your circumference. So I always say, small heads, you may want to go next size down, because there are, as you can judge for yourself, they are pretty stretchy. Okay, so I just want to do this video just to show you guys what the sizes mean, so that when you're purchasing, you can take this into consideration as well. I sell this on eBay as well as my website, which is beglamvirginhair.com. So please check it out. And if you have any questions, you can email me directly on my site, or you can message me using Facebook Messenger. You can WhatsApp me on my numbers, all on my website, guys. So yeah, so these are the colors, black and beige. Okay, so any questions, guys, you can get back to me. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.